Hi everyone and welcome back. So Google is planning something big for their next Pixel watch. According to recent reports, Google is going to use the latest Snapdragon chipset with Pixel Watch 2. Before sharing more details, I have this amazing watch face from Monkey's Dream developer that is available for giveaway. Make sure you check it out. Its link will be down in description. Okay, so if you don't know, Google has been using Exynos 9110 chipset with their Pixel Watch, and this is the same chipset that is present in old Tizen-based Galaxy smartwatches like Galaxy Watch Active 2 and Galaxy Watch 3. Due to high power demand from this chipset and poor performance, Pixel Watch wasn't compelling to a lot of users, but now Google has realized their mistake and they are finally going with Snapdragon's latest W5 Gen 1 processor. This chipset is already coming with latest TicWatch Pro 5. And the performance with the chipset is just amazing on this smartwatch. Apart from performance, this chipset also comes with a great battery life as it is based on a 4nm process. Google will launch their next Pixel watch sometime in October with Google Pixel 8. Samsung is also going to upgrade chipset with their Galaxy Watch 6, but this won't be a Snapdragon processor. We will see an Exynos W980 with the next Galaxy Watch. Let's wait and see how it will perform in real world. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design. This is Dream 127. Free coupons are available for this face. Just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Here we have a modern looking design that has plenty of information like our time, battery percentage, date and steps. Further, you can add custom app shortcuts to this face by tapping here and choosing any app of your choice. Talking about customization, you can change many colors with this face like this. Then we have few settings for complications in the background. Also, if you want to buy this face, every purchase will go towards planting a tree across the globe. You can check out more details via the link down in description. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.